Hi guys, it's Gareth from Silent Push, and following on from our video on how to trace IP addresses linked to a single domain, today I'd like to show you how to use our free community edition to do the opposite. So that's listing all the domains that have ever been associated with a single IP address. It's essentially the same lookup, but the target object is an IP address rather than a domain. So to get the data, we're going to navigate to Explore DNS Data, Domains Hosted on IP, and Create New. So for this demonstration, we're going to use an IP known to be engaging in malicious activity. That's 70.124.238.72. You can either run the query as is by clicking search, or you can specify additional parameters to produce a more targeted set of results. So let's click search. And here we have the data. 92 domains with noticeably low risk scores that are associated via A records to 70.124.238.72. So from the Explore screen, we can order by column, we can filter by date on first seen and last seen, we can view the basic raw data, we can copy the raw data to the clipboard, or we can pivot through the results. So let's do an A record lookup on d0.wf to get some additional IPs associated with what looks to be a malicious domain. And here we have it. Okay, Silent Push Enterprise users can save and monitor changes to the query or populate the results in a feed by creating a new feed or adding the data to an existing feed. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe for more DNS defense tips. Follow the link in the description to register for a free account, and please email info@silentpush.com with any queries. Thanks for watching.